In this modern, hectic lifestyle, we all tend to always be on our toes. But have you ever realized that with the dust and pollution all around us, our hair tend to look dull and lifeless all the time? Hello everyone, hope your week went well so far. We have always dreamt of getting that soft, silky, long tresses, which is every girl's dream. But due to hectic work life, stress, pollution, it ruins your beauty treatment. But don't you worry, as I have a quick fix for you that shall save your hair problems, and that too without having to buy those expensive products or go to salons. All you would need to do is grab a few ingredients from your kitchen and transform your dull, damaged hair to soft, silky and smooth hair that you always dreamt of having. Here's what you need. Hibiscus flower and leaves 5 to 6, neem patta, methi seeds also known as fenugreek seeds, tulsi leaves also known as holy basil, coconut oil, curry patta also known as curry leaves. Grind the above ingredients in a mixie and add them to the oil. Boil the oil and you can keep this in a bottle and reuse it as you like. For best results, use this oil thrice a week and get the hair you always dreamt of. I hope you guys like this video. Do have a blessed and an amazing week ahead. And also stay tuned to my upcoming videos. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit on the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, it's all about being beautiful.